Eazy Social Ads. Tony Earp's Eazy Social Ads. Eazy Social Ads. So what is Eazy Social Ads? 1625 beautiful pro-quality graphic, video, social media templates and print-ready graphics and dozens of top niches easily edited in PowerPoint. For the first time, including a PLR license option. Eazy Social Ads demo video. No Photoshop required. Start branding your biz social media channels and ads like a pro. Easily brand your ad PPC campaigns and social media channels for your biz is part of the many challenges that businesses face. And the current solutions out there aren't really encouraging. Either they are too expensive or they flat out don't work. After observing these, my team and I decided to spend the last few months creating a Hugh Graphic Bundle that will help you easily create perfect designs to brand your business. I'm excited to announce the birth of Eazy Social Ads to you. Go here to read the complete details about this new graphic package. With this graphic package, you will be able to easily create perfect designs to brand your business. You won't have to ever hiring expensive graphic designers or spending your valuable time learning complicated software like Photoshop. Eazy Social Ads will help you easily brand your ad PPC campaigns and social media channels for your business as little as instantly. Just go here right away to learn more about it. And here's one more thing I'd like you to know. Since we have just launched this graphic package to the public, we are offering it at a huge discount. But this discount will expire very soon. So if you are in business and you'd like to easily create perfect designs to brand your business, then go right here and grab your access to this graphic package before the discount expires. Eazy Social Ads. Tony Earp's Eazy Social Ads.